Hello everyone, you are welcome. Today we will see how to export table data into Excel format in Angular. For that, we are using xlsx library. This is the one is xlsx library. So first we will see the demo, and this is our application running on 4200 localhost. So we'll click export to Excel and our data is exported. We'll click this and this is our data. This is company, this is contact, and this is country. Now we'll look into code. So this is our code. Here we are importing xlsx from xlsx library. Before that we will have to install. So we will use this npm i xlsx and copy this and paste it here and install. After that, we'll see that in dependencies it will be added, and also inside modules we can find the xlsx. Now we'll write our table code. So this is our table code. So it is my table ID, and this is header, and this is row data. So this is company contact and country is header, and this is ABC Ltd, Hare Ram Rai, India, XYZ Ltd, Tom, and Mexico. This is data. We need to export this data into Excel format. For that, I have created one button, and this is the method or function which will be invoked when we click on the button. So we'll look into this method or function. So here, this is the function export table. It is a type of void. So here, first we are creating a table element that is using get element by ID, and after that we are creating worksheet that is a type of xlsx dot worksheet using xlsx dot utils dot table to seat and then table element. Then we are creating a workbook, a type of xlsx.workbook that is seats and seat names using seat and seat names. After that, we are creating Excel buffer that is using workbook and book type and type. After that, we are creating a blob. Blob is using Excel buffer, and this is here type. Type is nothing but this is used to export Excel. After that, we have URL we are creating, and then we are using hyperlink to download the table. So here, this is table data. Table data is nothing but the file name which we want to keep after downloading for the file. And one thing need to mention is this one application slash bnd.openxml formats hyphen this one office document dot spreadsheet ml.sheet. This is something which is need to be used only for Excel format. So I will provide this into description. And after that, we'll click a dot click. This is will be clicked and our file will be downloaded. This is how it is working. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with Errors Overflow.